Tokyo Treat Summer Box. All right, let's see what we've got in store. Woo! Bite into Japan. I'm so excited about this. This one, as you can see, is themed around a lot more like casual type treats, not so much like the tea box. Look at that, Hello Kitty mints. Oh my God, I'm gonna get into that. Kiwi flavored. Let's see. Obviously, the guide is always the place to start with, as it'll show us the way around our box. We've got some chips, a soda, some bomb candies, a cake, which is already stacked here up at the top. This is very interesting. It's got a cute little squirrel at the front. OMG. A little donut. Oh, this reminds me of the Mexican Bimbo donuts, those sugar-covered donuts. Ah. And then, let's see. I'm jumping all over the place, but here we are. Milk tea Kit Kat. Oh, Sid's eyes are about to pop out of his head. So excited about this. I think like last time, these are going to end up being our faves. Let's see what this cute little cake situation is about. So this is very much focused around pop culture in Tokyo, which I'm just so obsessed with. And I have very little experiences. I have not traveled there, but obviously very much enthused with everything Tokyo. So, okay, so still looking. Oh, okay, here we go. The Pokemon marshmallow chocolate cake. Oh, wow, okay. That's gonna be a nice little treat. What else do we got? Oh, I see this kitty. Neko banana dorayaki. Ooh. Okay, wow. It's got little paws on there. Whoa. Okay. We already saw the Hello Kitty candy mint. We got the kiwi, but it looks like they also have what this looks like, strawberry and yellow, which is likely, oh, that's pineapple. What else? We got our shoyu ramen in here. I'm sure it's at the bottom here somewhere. Oh, here we go. Well, this is gonna be our pre-dinner snack, I think. Oh, here's the drink we found. It says sangria. We'll have to report back. Melon cream soda. That sounds delish. What else do we have? We've got a little bit more on the various ways that we can enjoy ramen. And I know I've blogged about ramen in the past. Let's see, we've also got some mini chocolate chip cookies. I've never heard of kibidango, so I'm very excited about that. Oh, wait, it says chewy, sweet, and savory mochi snack. I think we're going to love that. And then we've also got some senbei, which is a rice cracker. That should be really yums. Well, I'm really excited to read up more on what we have here and just keep an eye out for the blog, which will go into more depth about what these snacks taste like.